44 veggies you can plant in February right now. Start your garden early. Want to start your garden early and get a huge harvest? February is the perfect time to plant these 44 veggies, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. No matter your climate, I've got the perfect veggies for you to plant right now. Stay till the end because I'll reveal the #1 secret to getting the best results from your early season crops. Let's break it down by climate. Cold climates, start indoors or use cold frames. Lettuce, grows fast, loves cool weather. Spinach, cold hardy and packed with nutrients. Kale, superfood that thrives in the cold. Swiss chard, colorful and delicious. Radishes, harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. Carrots, start now for a spring harvest. Beets, perfect for both leaves and roots. Brussels sprouts, needs a long season so start early. Cauliflower, best when started in cool temps. Broccoli, produces all season long. For colder zones, start these indoors with grow lights to get a head start. Mild climates, direct sow and transplant. Onions, the earlier the better for big bulbs. Garlic, a must-have for any garden. Peas, sweet and crunchy, plant them now. Turnips, quick growing and versatile. Mustard greens, add spice to your salads. Cabbage, loves cool temperatures. Collard greens, great for year-round harvests. Parsnips, sweeter after a frost. Leeks, hardy and flavorful. Bok choy, Asian greens that grow fast. In mild zones, your soil is ready for planting, just make sure it's well drained. Warm climates, get a head start on summer crops. Tomatoes, start seedlings indoors now. Peppers, the longer they grow, the better. Eggplants, needs warmth to thrive. Cucumbers, enjoy fresh cucumbers sooner. Zucchini, a garden staple for warm areas. Pumpkins, plant now for fall harvest. Watermelon, get sweet summer fruits started early. Melons, cantaloupes, and honeydew love warmth. Okra, heat tolerant and easy to grow. Sweet potatoes, needs a long growing season. If you're in a warm zone, start these heat-loving crops in trays for strong transplants. Bonus, herbs you can plant right now. Cilantro, basil, dill, parsley, oregano, rosemary, sage, thyme, chives, mint. These herbs thrive in February and make your garden smell amazing. Final 4 veggies that grow everywhere. Arugula grows super fast. Scallions, easy and productive. Celery loves cool weather. Endive adds a crunchy bite to salads. February is the secret month for getting a head start on your best garden yet. Drop a comment below. What will you be planting this month? And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Want bigger, healthier plants? Watch my next video on the best organic fertilizers for rapid growth, then subscribe for more gardening hacks.